You're on a watch list. You weren't told. You weren't warned. And you definitely weren't supposed to find out. But somehow, you just did. It starts small. Your phone glitches. Nothing crazy, just little things. Apps closing on their own. Battery draining faster than usual. You ignore it. Everyone does. Until one night, your laptop camera turns on. By itself, you freeze. You didn't touch anything. No update, no notification. Just that tiny green light pointing straight at you. You close the laptop. Hard. Heart racing. Trying to convince yourself it's nothing. A bug. A glitch. But it doesn't feel like a glitch. It feels intentional. The next morning, because everything looks normal. Too normal. You check your files. Nothing missing. Nothing changed. But something feels off. Like you walked into a room and something moved. Then you see it. A folder. You don't recognize it. You open it. Empty, except for one file. You click it. One line appears. We see you. You stare at it, waiting for it to change. Waiting for something else. Nothing. You close it, reopen it. Still there. Now your hands are shaking. Because this isn't random. You shut everything down. Phone, laptop, Wi-Fi, silence. For a moment, everything stops. Then your phone vibrates. You didn't turn it back on. The screen lights up. Location services activated. You never turn that on. Now your chest tightens. Because this isn't a glitch anymore. You start thinking, what did you do? Nothing illegal, nothing serious, just curiosity. Late nights online, forums, videos, searches you probably shouldn't have made, but nothing extreme, nothing criminal, right? Then it hits you. It wasn't one thing, it was a pattern, the same topics, the same searches, the same behavior over and over. You weren't flagged for something you did, you were flagged for something you might do. And suddenly, everything makes sense, and somehow, that makes it worse. You tried to disconnect completely. No internet, no phone, no devices, but it doesn't matter because now it's not just digital. That night, you hear a car outside. You look. It's parked across the street, engine running, lights off, not moving. You wait 5 minutes, 10 minutes, still there. The next night, it happens again. Different car, same spot, same timing. That's when it becomes real. You stop sleeping. Every sound feels louder. Every silence feels heavier. You check the windows, doors, locks over and over. Nothing changes. Days pass, then something else happens. Your bank app logs you out. You try to log back in. Access denied. You reset your password. It works. Then locks you out again. Now you're not just being watched. You're being controlled. You stop going out. Stop searching anything. Stop doing anything that could trigger something. But it doesn't matter. Because once you're on a list, you don't get removed, you just get watched. Weeks go by, nothing happens. And somehow, that's the worst part because now you're waiting for something you can't see coming. Then one morning, you wake up and your front door is slightly open. You know you locked it, you always lock it. You step closer, slow, nothing inside looks touched. But something feels different, like someone was there, like someone didn't need to break in. That night, you don't sleep at all, and then it happens. A knock, not loud, not aggressive, just certain. You freeze. It comes again, slow, precise. You already know, because this was never random. It was building. Every moment, every decision, every pattern. You walk to the door. Your hand hesitates on the handle. Because deep down, opening it changes everything. You open it, 2 people. No uniforms, no badges, just calm, controlled, like they've done this before. One of them looks at you and says, "How long have you known?" Everything goes quiet because in that moment, you realize something they were never hiding. They were waiting for you to notice, waiting for you to react, waiting for you to confirm that you were exactly who they thought you were. Somewhere right now, someone is sitting in their room, scrolling, clicking, searching, thinking it doesn't matter, thinking no one is watching. But patterns always get noticed. And the moment you realize you're on the list, it's already too late.